grate my sweet potato one side, and my cocoa one side. Alright guys, we're also gonna do some potato pudding. So we have 4 potatoes right here. We're gonna peel them. Normally you don't have to peel them, but sometimes when it look too bad and the skin stay away, you see me? We peel it off and thing. You know, because cleanliness is godliness. So we're gonna peel our items them right now and get them prepared up and cut them up.
Yeah,
Cut them up. We're gonna grate them.
Yeah. This is his specialty, guys. We both do it. I mostly do the gratering sometimes, but I am normally bake it.
We have to grate our coconut, so it's gonna be a kind of long night for me in the night. Okay, guys? So we're gonna just show you while we go along. So just bear with us and just watch the video. I hope you guys full joy in the video. Okay, guys? So always remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. You know, and comment, leave a comment, tell us how you feel, what you think about our video, what you think about what we're doing. You can give us some advice, you know, so we can, you know, please you guys. So as you can see guys, I finished peeling on my sweet potato right here. It will peel, so I'm gonna peel my cocoa. I have 3 small cocoa. A lot of people use yam, but I'm gonna use some cocoa, isn't it? It doesn't matter. You can use cocoa, you can use yam. So I'm gonna peel this stuff now, then I'm gonna get them washed. And then we're gonna get to the grating. Okay guys? You guys see that? Everything was nice, peel and ready. So just I give them a wash off, isn't it? So guys, on the next journey, you know, we're gonna start grating up our potatoes and our cocoa. You see me? Really hard style. We don't do no blending thing. You see me? We love a natural mystic thing. You see me? Yeah, because we used to them things from the yard. So we come abroad, we do the same thing. We don't cut up and put on a blender and thing. You see me? So original style. So just watch the flow and catch the lyrics and catch the style. We're on the journey. You see me? So just go and watch it and catch it. We're showing it throughout every process. Big up on yourself.
Alright guys, you see? This is how you grater.
The guys, they're going great at the thing, you see me? Refine, when you grate it, you get the real ness out of it, you see me? Pudding come out nice, soft and mild, you see me? Yeah man.
So yeah, we're gonna put some raisin in the pudding as well, but we sort them in the red label wine, so stay tuned. So yeah, this is the red label wine, and we brought this straight from Jamaica by J. Ray and Nephew. So yeah, we've been using it for a while. We only use this really when we bake, and you know this is what they put in the black cake as well. So yeah, red label wine. As you can see, we don't use a lot of raisins. We literally just put it in there because it have a buzz. So yeah, you can try it. You know, just the raisin with a little bit of red label wine, and we made that soak while it grate on. So you know, really, you can make it soak longer if you want, but you don't have to do that.
Yeah guys, you see that? Now we're gonna go on, no?
Hey, Rin grate her fast and Rin have ninja on. Him and them fast.
Well, but then I'm doing that Jamaica. Yeah, I'm like, man was a Rasta for like 4 or 5 years now. No meat, just fish and saltfish. Be true, I cook every day, so every day I have to find great, isn't it? Yeah. Guys, as you can see, finished grating my sweet potato one side, and my cocoa one side.
Yep, but everybody I get mixed up.
So they're gonna mix up, and we'll just do it like that to show you what's going on. Okay, guys?
Yep.
So we're going to our next step right now.
Yeah, it looks crazy now, but trust me.
We're gonna do our chestnuts nuts. We're gonna bust them up, ox them out, and get to the pint.
Yeah.
No, isn't it? I nut, coconut, isn't it? So we're gonna use 2 coconut. Isn't it? Because I want the thing creamy and rich and have nice flavors. Isn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to bust up the coconut them now. And so I'm going to come out and you buy them, they're not good enough. When you bust them and disappoint you. So I work them and I disappoint. Yes guys, that look wonderful.
Let me taste it.
That look wonderful guys.
Man, let me taste that. Alright, go ahead. I love coconut water, guys, so
This one look wonderful, okay? Juice
it tastes
tastes
good.
Alright. We have some skills to that, guys. See that? See that? Coconut. We have to use the knife sometime. When you're well dry, you can bust it like that, isn't it? Some of them now still have them thing, isn't it? So we have to go get them up. We are yard man, guys. So
And make it look easy, don't. That shit is not easy.
You see me? I think I just one trick. Can't forget one time, you know. My mother oxo coconut and knife fly through this and bust her finger and say, oh, me feel if you are. Bust out her finger, man, wicked. You see blood. I said, gel, oh. That one guy say coconut is a very deadly thing. If you don't know how to ox it out, you cut up yourself. So you have to know how to handle these things. You see me? When you ox it out, you can't put your hand like this iron weight. You have to catch it. I mean, if you nice slide, now cut it. You see me? So it's techniques in it, guys.
And you can also eat the coconut like this too, guys. So if you're like me who really love coconut, sometimes I just buy it like this and just eat it just like that after I take it out the shell.
Yeah, man. I mean, you remember coconut when you grate the coconut and you use the trash. You see me? And you just put the sugar on it. You don't want it done. You see me? Yeah, man. Good old days, man. I tell you, good old days. Can never die, no. Alright, guys. Everything wash. So I'm going to start grating them now.
I'm the tester.
Hey guys, better grate the coconut more than blame it. You don't blame it, you know, come out refined. You know, get the real juice and the milk out of it. So it's a real style. Enough people don't like it, but me just like it, isn't it?
This is my sample.
Mealy? What's up? Me what?
Millie's here. Look who just came down here. Look,
Look at the camera. Say hi.
look. Say hi, Chang Boss fam.
Yeah guys, so I finished grating my jet nuts. Yeah, grated 2 coconuts. It's not an easy road to grate. That's a lot of people use channel. Okay guys, but I like the old way. So I grate it. That's the best way, isn't it? So right now we're gonna prepare up with ingredients and everything and start with mixing, isn't it? So just continue tuning in and continue to watch, okay guys? Yeah guys, see that man, yeah man. Real. When you feel this, I know you feel the juice in it, isn't it? You just add the water and juice in and you get the real milk. That's it. It's a 1 cup. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of flour.
And he's mixing it in with the what is now this
Sweet potato
and the cocoa.
and cocoa. So guys, I use 2 cups of flour. And I use a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. I'm gonna use a teaspoonful of baking powder. Okay guys, and I'm gonna use my cinnamon, teaspoonful of cinnamon same way.
And that's the cinnamon teaspoon.
Yeah guys, a teaspoonful. And I'm gonna throw some vanilla.
Yeah, no measurement needed, just gonna have to judge it.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get my grater. So I'm gonna grate my nutmeg inside it now. I'm just putting half right now, then after I mix it, I put the rest. So I'm just gonna mix up everything and blend this in. I'm also gonna put some butter. Guys, I'm gonna use some butter. No.
So he's gonna strain the coconut milk. That's from the same coconut that he grated. So you pretty much add water to it and then you strain it in this strainer that he has here. You just want the milk from the coconut. You just gotta squeeze it. That's the milk.
And we also put some of the trash inside here.
Just a little.
Because the trash give it that little crunch taste.
Yeah. And that also adds to the thickness. Yeah.
Now we're gonna mix in everything. Yeah guys, I'm gonna add my sugar now.
This is the brown sugar.
I have to put the sugar to keep it sweet.
The Benjamin's vanilla.
So I'm gonna add some more nutmeg to it. Sweet and yummy guys, isn't it? Yeah man, everything every night man. Okay, everything going night, all the ingredients. I'm gonna put some more cinnamon in there too. I don't think they get the flavor and the passion and the style. You know everything wicked and wild. Well nice, isn't it? Smells so put some more cinnamon. Cause these are the flavor guys. So it's my wife behind the camera, you know, she's the camera lady videoing her husband in the kitchen. Is it doing at him best doing it? Is it? It me always my mother bake it, but me ain't really take in because many know say something my mother want to do in life. You see me? So
Yep, and then we add the little remix. We drop in the
so we have our raisin now guys. Our raisin right here mixed in the red label. So we're gonna just pour it over it. That's it. See that guys? Well nice. Just mix it in. You know this is the molasses. This get the dark flavor. You see me? So I'm gonna tip it in there guys.
Yeah, this is really what you usually use this for coloring and flavor as well.
Just give it the dark flavor, the dark look,
Dark
the dark
flavor.
color. You see me? Yeah. Let's check it while it mixing and see different.
Daddy, know what I'm gonna make? My own channel
So make it.
for my Eid and my
Okay.
Uncle Selen.
So guys, my oven is hot. So I'm putting it in my pan right now. Set up.
Top at the bottom, because then you can put the small ones at the top.
Okay guys, so everything is in the oven right there. So we're just gonna leave it. Them go and take them time and do them thing. You see me? So yeah guys, pudding is done. See that? Yeah man. So just take them out of the oven. So they're gonna cool. You see me? Yeah man, so tomorrow morning I'm ready. You see it like Freddy, steady. Yeah guys, so thank you guys for watching the video. And thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for like. Thank you for sharing. Comment. Yes guys, so this is the finishing touch.